Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, April the 1st. The time is around 12:30 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Canadian dollar yen. This is a 45 minutes chart right here. We could see that the pair has continued to extend higher in an impulsive manner. We are calling this 1 2 and then another 1 2, so it's a nest 1 2 1 2. Now about to end the wave 3 right here. Right, about to end the wave 3 in the black degree, and then from there we could see pullback. Right, we could see pullback before the next leg higher again. Now with this latest move here, I think we could probably still be doing something like this and go up like this, right? Or as an alternate, this 3 can be ending here, 4 ending here, 5 of 3 can be ending here. Now I think the shorter cycle, what this really means is that not necessarily it has to follow exactly tick by tick according to the chart, but what this actually means is suggesting that any pullback should find buyers and more upside should be seen. A new high should be seen as long as we don't break below 86.05. That's what it really means. Now of course in the shorter cycle, 3 could have ended here and we can make adjustment. We can easily make adjustment here, and we could be starting with 4, but that doesn't really change the idea that as long as we stay above 86.05, we should see more upside, right? So this is the first kind of possible path here, and another option will be, again like I said, ending 3 here, and this is A, B, and then we do a C like this to finish the 4 before higher. All right. Now let's take a look at the larger degree to make sense of the Canadian dollar yen. So if you take a look at the Canadian dollar yen here, the 4-hour, I'm gonna put this 4, 1 and 2 here so you know where we are. So this is the 4, this 1, 2, and we are about to end with 3 right here. Right, so you can see that Canadian dollar yen actually managed to break the previous peak here, suggesting this should be a 3 here if this is a 4, that it is a confirmed end of the correction last week in this wave 4 here, right? Because it has broken above 3, so it rules out, for example, a double correction like this is being ruled out because we break above that wave 3. Now secondly, if I go to the daily, you can see how impulsive it is, right? I mean, there's no question this is an impulse here. Just look at how extended it is. It is an impulsive move. So if it is an impulsive move, the fact that it breaks to new high suggests that that break higher that we just see, it will be also an impulse, right? It means also that will mean it is also an impulse. In other words, since we broke to new high, and since on the daily we can clearly see it is an impulse, this by itself needs to be an impulsive structure. Now if it is an impulsive structure, you can see whether there is a possibility this 5 waves could have ended. Now based on the RSI without divergence at the peak, it is not likely this is the end of the 5 waves because we don't see any divergence here. The 1 hour also, you can see that, I mean, it's still pretty strong here in the RSI, right? No very clear divergence is observed. So that suggests probability wise, chance wise, we should continue to go higher. Now of course, shorter cycle can always do a little bit detour, can do a pullback here and there, could have ended 3 here and so on, but that doesn't really matter that much from the context of, as long as we stay above 86, that pullback is going to find support in the sequence of 3 7 11 swing. So when you see any clear 3 pullback from the peak, whether it comes from the new high here or whether it comes from here, any kind of pullback, as long as we don't break below 86, we should continue to go up. since the structure here looks incomplete on the upside. Okay, so that's the update for today. As always, if you do want to get regular updates and analysis like this in the live session, live trading room, feel free to join our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.